Namaste, mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands on Happy Hands. Our video for today is DIY Mother's Day gift idea number 1. Personalized wall clock. A mother's love is unlike any other, and our one-of-a-kind relationships that can never be compared. Their love is unconditional and only grows stronger over a lifetime. This Mother's Day, let the special woman in your life know how much they mean to you by showering them with love, kind words, and thoughtful gifts. Happy Mother's Day! Last year, I made a DIY personalized wall clock as a gift to my mother. I printed her old and new photos and pasted around the clock. I painted the circular wood sky blue. Also, I painted 8 yellow circles with golden glitters border. They are the imaginary numbers as indicator for time. I put some decorative golden spirals as the indicators of imaginary numbers 3, 6, 9, and 12. I sprinkled deep pink glitters on the vertical and horizontal lines, while on the 2 diagonal lines, I sprinkled some blue glitters, and at the center, I put golden glitters. In addition, for the design, I pasted some blue and pink gems, and lastly, I attached the clock machine at the center. And of course, choose a perfect place to hang your DIY personalized wall clock for your special someone. Happy Mother's Day! Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, Hands on Happy Hands, with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching!